guys, welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a haul. I picked up a few things that I thought you guys would be interested in seeing. I plan on redoing my beauty room and a few other things. I really am into the boho or like bohemian vibe, so I really like bold colors, texture, and stuff like that. So if you guys are interested in seeing what I picked up, then go ahead and keep watching. So I had stopped at Homegoods and I also went to Ross this afternoon, and I had found some really good stuff, you guys. I feel like I hit the jackpot with some things, so I'm super excited to share it with you. It's gonna be kind of random, but I'll tell you like where I got stuff from. So this first thing here I just wanted to point out was this plant. So it's like pretty tall. I got this because I wanted to have a plant to sit next to my mirror. I have a floor mirror and I really wanted to have like a plant next to it on the floor, just to give it a little bit more of a spice. But I wasn't a huge fan of this black piece at the bottom, so when I was at Homegoods I picked up a little basket, and it looks like this to put it inside of. The basket was $12.99, and then the plant was, I believe, $19.99, which is honestly so cheap because I've seen some plants for like $80 or more for this type of plant or like the size. So I just thought this was really cute to put inside the basket. I wasn't a huge fan of this little thingy on the front. It just says like utility and like, I don't know, it has this little patch on the front. I'll probably turn it this way so you guys can't see it. And then I'm going to stick this plant inside of here like that. So when it's like, oh, when it's like further away, you guys can't really tell what it's in. But I thought this would be really, really cute. So next up, I feel like I can never go anywhere for house shopping without getting a candle. This one is a ginger snap pumpkin. It's a natural soy candle. This one was $12.99, which is not bad at all because this candle is huge and it smells so good. It just smells like a gingerbread with like a hint of pumpkin in it, and it just smells so good. Next, I just have this little notebook here. It just says, "Every morning we are born again. What we do today is what matters most," and it says Buddha, which I absolutely love that. I just love what it says. But I always feel like I'm always buying notebooks because I don't know if you guys have known, but I usually like to plan a lot. So like I'll plan out YouTube videos or plan like what I need to do for the day if I have the day off and want to be like productive, or like any upcoming projects I want to do, like tackling painting something or redoing a room or something. So I always plan and write things down, so I really like having a lot of notebooks on hand. And this notebook was actually from Homegoods. This was at $6.99, and I think there's a lot of paper in here, so this will last quite a while, so it's a good deal. One of my favorite things that I picked up was this rug. It's really big actually. This is actually folded up, but it like goes out really big. It's like this tribal print and has like these little random stitches with random colors in it, and it's super pretty. On the edge of the rug it has like this little bit of fringe, and this rug I think was only like $8 or $9, which is a really good deal because that rug is really big. I'm not sure if I want to put that in my beauty room yet because I have kind of like a entryway that I think it would look really cute in. Otherwise I feel like it would look really good in our kitchen, so I don't know what I want to do with that yet. And I'm totally in love with this blanket. It was $20, which is kind of expensive, but I really wanted this one. This one is like a really soft, like orange color. I don't know how to describe it, but I thought it's very fall, very like bohemian, and I just really like the way that it looks. It has that fringe on the bottom as well, and it's just very soft, very cozy. So I don't know if I really want to put this in my beauty room somewhere, like on my computer desk chair or somewhere, or if I want to put this down in the living room. I'm not sure yet, but I really like that. Oh, the next couple things I wanted to share with you here is a couple of Rae Dunn products that I had picked up. This one is a bowl and it just says Dreamer on the front of it. And if any of you guys know about Rae Dunn, they're kind of pricey, but yet they're not. Like, they're still affordable in a way. This bowl was about $5, which I think isn't that bad for that. And then I also picked up a coffee mug, which was $6, and this says happy on the front. And then this thing I picked up here, this was actually from Homegoods, and it was $6. This was actually in the section with like the bathroom stuff, so this is like really a toothbrush holder and stuff, but I thought this would be really cute to have like on my computer desk and have for my like pens and pencils and stuff, so I thought that was super cute, so I love that. Next couple items I found, this was actually from a store called Stuff in our town, which is kind of like a version of like a Goodwill or Salvation Army, but like higher than that. Like it's way more nicer and has like way more nicer things, and I don't know, it's like really cool store. This one here, this was a vase I found. It still had the original price tag on it for $15 from Pier 1 Imports, which if any of you guys know, that's a pretty expensive store. But this was actually only $3.99 for this vase, and I thought this was super pretty. I don't even know what I'm going to do with it or if I'll even use it. If anything, I'll probably give it to my mom or something, because this one, I really like this. Next thing I found here was really cool and a super good deal. This was only 99 cents. And again, this one had the original tag on it, and this was $8 from Ross, and I only paid $1 for it, and I am obsessed with it. It's like that bamboo color on the outside, and then that black and white tribal print on the inside, and I probably will use this to store like any extra jewelry or rings, or I thought to put it on my computer desk as well and put like some of my electronic things I use for my camera, so like my SD card and things like that in here. So I don't know, otherwise I thought about putting it on this table behind me here instead of this little basket that I have here. I don't know, but I really like it, and I thought for $1 that is such a good deal. I'm really into getting like little knickknacks and little pieces of decor that's going to make a big statement in the room, or really just like tie everything together. So I've been focusing on getting like little things to put on my desk for my vanity, or just like little decor pieces to sit out in places. So this one was from that same store called Stuff, and it was a really good deal. This was $2, and I just really like the colors on it. It's just more of the bohemian vibe, so I really like it. I don't know what I'm going to put in it yet. I don't know if I want to put maybe more like office stuff in here, or like a candle, or like a little piece of like plant or flowers. I don't know, but I thought it looked cute against some of my other stuff that I had picked up. So the next couple of items that I wanted to share with you guys, I can't really like pick it up and show it to you. It's gonna have to like stay on the floor, so I'm gonna go ahead and pick you guys up and show it to you on the floor. So this thing I found here at Homegoods, this was probably the most expensive thing that I picked up, but I've been wanting this for a while now since we moved into our house, because there's a space by our front door where there's a really good spot to put shoes on. So I just thought we really could use that, especially for when people come over and stuff. And I really like it because I've only seen a lot of shoe racks that only had like 2 racks, but this one has 3. This was about $30, I believe, and I don't know, I think it was totally worth it. So this picture frame here, this was actually from Ross, and this was about $25, which I was really iffy on getting because I couldn't tell if I really liked it or not, but I think it's so cool. I don't know what I like about it, but I do. When I looked at the gold reflex and all the different type of colors and detail in the picture, I just thought it was very bohemian-like and just very culture looking, and I really like elephants. Those of you guys know I have a tattoo of an elephant, so I don't know. It just looks really pretty. Alright guys, and that is everything for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you guys did, do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!